Hey everybody, welcome back to Miss Colburn's PE class. Today we're going to learn striking with objects. Our first lesson is going to be how to make a bat. I'm going to be using toilet paper rolls, a tissue for the ball, and we have masking tape to hold the toilet paper rolls together. I have 8 toilet paper rolls that I'm using. So what we do, I have already taped together using my masking tape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but I'm going to go ahead and add one more at the bottom just so that you can see how to do it. I did this through trial and error and found that if I tear my piece of tape first and then I put it on one of the sides first, it's easier to keep it together. So I tear about this much tape off, and then I put it around the first roll. Then I take my second roll and I attach it like this, and then I just simply pat it down so that it stays together. And then I roll it around. If you have Scotch tape or duct tape or any other kind of tape, that should work just as easily, in fact, maybe even better than masking tape, because I've had the problem of these pieces of tape just coming off and kind of flying like that. So I just go ahead and pat them back down, and it does a great job of keeping it together. For my tea, I'm going to be using my foam roller, but if you don't have a foam roller, which I'm sure many of you don't, and that's quite all right, if you have a block of wood, you can use a block of wood instead, or if you have a table that is completely clear, you can use the table as your tea, but just be careful not to hit the table because, of course, our bat made of toilet paper rolls is not that sturdy. So using something that is likely to fall over if you miss will be a lot easier to use. I'm going to go ahead and shorten my bat to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 toilet paper rolls because I feel like that'll be easier for you guys to watch during the video and just kind of show you what it looks like. So I take my piece of tissue, I ball it up, I put it on the foam roll. I stand about 2 feet from it. I test my distance with my bat. As you can see, the end of the bat is right at the tissue. Now I bend my knees, I have my elbow up, I step, I look at my target, and I swing. So tomorrow's lesson, we are going to go over military style, how to swing, and then the next day we are going to go over one base baseball, which is a really fun game that gets in some really great exercise. And for your warm-ups, I'd like you to continue the cup stacking challenge, and if you'd like to add in the plank challenge, I'm going to go ahead and show you that right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to get on the floor, get on your forearms, and you are just going to hold plank for as long as you can. And if you'd like, you can go ahead and time it. For me right now, my ankle is still pretty sensitive, so I'm going to just go ahead and do my plank on one foot for a challenge. And if you need to do it on your knees because maybe you can't hold plank for that long, you can go ahead and do your plank challenge on your knees. That's perfectly okay. And if you need yet another challenge, if you'd like to just hold plank on your arms like this, that's absolutely fine as well. We start with whatever is best for where we are. I hope you found this helpful, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay sane, and stay active.